video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the stitches to go with the pattern for the Sweet Citrus Summer Cardigan. So I'm refilming this. I have a better camera set up now, and this I designed back in 2018, and it still looks great. I wear it every summer. This is, I believe it's blood orange or Seville orange from Paint Box Cotton. It's a category 4 yarn, nice and soft. You do want to use a soft cotton for this since it will be touching your skin. Most likely you're going to be wearing it over a tee or a tank top, and it's going to be touching your skin, so you want something that feels nice. And for the demo, as I used in my last one, I'm going to use Lion Brand 24/7 cotton. This is mercerized cotton. It's very nice. I think the cat got to this. So get out your pattern and start your chain, and we're going to go through this 4-row repeat together. So I'm going to chain for the size small, and the pattern is linked below if you would like to get it. Alright, so for row 1, we're going to skip 2, 1, 2, yarn over and work a half double crochet, yarn over, work another half double crochet. So the beginning and the end of this row will be 2 half double crochet, and I've just done my 2. And then now we start the row repeat, which is to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and this is the sequence between the 2 stars. Yarn over, skip 1, 2, 3 for the 3 we just chained, then work a half double crochet in the next. Chain 1, skip 1, skip here, half double crochet. And then we repeat what we just did. So chain 3, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet. And we repeat this with the chain 3, skip 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, work the half double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet. And you'll chain 3, skip 3, and then we're at the end. So there's 5 left, 1, 2, 3, and as I mentioned, we start and end the row 1 of the sequence with half double crochet. So I'm going to end with 2 half double crochet here. One and 2. This is how your setup row will look. So for row 2, chain 1, single crochet in the first stitch, chain 2, and then 3 double crochet in this space, in the chain 3 space. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Then chain 2, and then work a single crochet in this chain 1 space. the row below. And then we repeat this. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space, chain 2, and a single crochet in this chain 1 space. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the chain 3 space. Chain 2, single crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, and then now at the end I will chain 2 and single crochet the top of that first half double crochet from the row below. That's how it should be looking. And a reminder, if you're new to the channel, depending when you're watching this tutorial, I am doing a giveaway for my project trackers. So I have the regular print, and each size has sections for small, medium, and large projects, so you do not waste any space. You can see there's a space to check off your row and where to put a little note about your row if you do a color change, if you do a stitch change. It's also good if you are a pattern designer. I use these when I'm designing as well. So it's a regular print, and the large print is great if you have tired eyes. The small print or the average print, it's still perfectly adequate, but you know when you've been going for hours and your eyes are tired, and instead of trying to make your own scraps of paper and work, I do not like apps. I like to take my pencil and check off my row. It's very satisfying. So anyway, you can enter to win one of these if you don't want to wait to win and you just want to buy one. All of that will be linked below, but you do need to put a comment in a video, which I will link. I am using a comment picker to select my 2 winners. And now we are on pattern row 3. We'll chain 5, 3, 4, and 5. And then it says to half double crochet in a double crochet. So the first double crochet we see from the row below is here. That was in that chain 3 space down here. I'm going to yarn over and work a half double crochet into that. Chain 1, skip 1 right here, and do another half double crochet. Chain 3, skip over the single crochet here. So this chain 3 covers that chain 1 here, single crochet, the chain 1 here, and then work into the top of the first of the 3 double crochet in the next cluster area. Chain 1, skip the next one, and work your half double crochet into the top of that double crochet. Again, chain 3, skip 3, work into the top of the first double crochet, making a half double crochet, chain 1, skip that next one, then into the top of the third cluster of double crochets. 2, 3, and again, top of that double crochet, working that half double crochet, chain 1, and the last half double crochet to go on top of, last half double crochet that goes on top of the double crochet cluster. Chain 1, then treble into the last single crochet. So yarn over twice, find the, let's first get the hair out of the way, top of that single crochet down here, yarn over, 1, 2, and 3 makes the treble. Right, and then we go on to row 4. Right, so row 4, going to chain 3, double crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 2, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, and that is the 2 half double crochets that were on top of the 3 double crochets from the 2 rows below. Chain 2, then in this chain space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Oops, go all the way through. Chain 2. I'm going to single crochet again in that little chain 1 space. Chain 2. 3 double crochet in this big chain 3 space. 2, and 3. Chain 2, single crochet into the chain 1 space, chain 2, and then the 3 double crochet in the big chain 3 space. Chain 2, and there's another chain 1 space, so that gets a single crochet. Oops. And then to finish, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet into this space here. And 2. Now on to row 5. I did say this was a 4-row repeat, and it is, but the row 1 is the setup row. So rows 2 through 5 are your repeat. And now I'm going to do row 5. So chain 2, skip that first double crochet here, and then half double crochet into the top of the second double crochet from the row below. So I'll give you a little space there. Chain 3, skip single crochet, which is this one, and then we'll do what we did 2 rows below, which was working half double crochets into the first and the third of this cluster with a chain 1 space in between. Half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, half double crochet. Chain 1, two, and 3, skip over again, and half double crochet, chain 1, skip 1. See how it's creating that open weave? And there I've got my second half double crochet, chain 3, skip over, and put the half double crochet in the top of that double crochet, chain 1, skip the next double crochet, and put your half double crochet in the top there. And then to finish, since I'm right near the end, I'm going to chain 3, skip, and then half double crochet, oops, into the last 2. All right, let me pull this up a little bit so you can kind of see how it's looking. It's going to look a little mangled up when you first get started, but you can see here. Let me show you compared to finished one. So this is a different yarn. It's less thick, but also this one's been washed many times and they kind of fluff up. And mercerized cotton looks more compact, but once you wash it, it kind of fills out. I call it puberty yarn because it fills out. But this is the regular category 4. They're both category 4. All right, so that's how you work the repeat to make the Sweet Citrus Summer Cardigan.